sure that you're okay with this treat delivery system. It's got great cheese. Oh, yes. Let's try that again. Oh, yes. Do we like that? Oh, yes, we do. Excellent. Okay. Next, I'm going to audition the sound over my headphones so that I can adjust the volume. So anytime you take note of this, you're going to get a little bit of this fabulous, fabulous cheese. Put that speaker over there, and put the food away so that you aren't distracted. Yes, come on. Alrighty. That was really quiet, but it was loud enough that Fleetwood heard it. Let's see how this is. I'm going to be ready to turn this off right away if it's too much. I'm going to reduce the volume and go back to the start. I don't want to get into growling dogs yet. Going back to the beginning, coming down a notch, finding his sweet spot for success. And I stop feeding the moment the fake dogs stop barking. That's a good job, little thing. Really good job. Gonna give him a little bit of a play break. Gonna do a little bit more barking at this slightly higher volume, and then we're gonna declare victory. So Fleet has noted with his ears when he hears the sound. He's also hearing sounds of my other dog, which is part of why you see his ears going back right now. And when he notes that he's aware, that's when I feed. I don't wait for him to react. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent job, Mr. Fleetwood. Good girl. Going up a notch. She's doing great. Go down a notch with the growling. So I'm not leaving her hanging in the wind for very long when the sound is on. I'm just watching her reaction when the sound first starts, and then I'm responding accordingly, either stopping the sound, continuing to feed, or pausing and reducing the volume. Gonna try again. Gonna give it one moment, see if she looks to me for food when she hears it. She just began to do that. She's also wearing shoes. Take it away for a moment, see what her reaction is. It's not terribly concerned, but we're gonna feed her while she hears it anyway.